welcome back to another episode of Katie's Coming Over. Today's episode, I partnered with Louxas to transform this dining room. Familiar with Louxas, they create timeless furniture that combines elevated design with everyday functionality. And today, I'm going to be styling one of their beautiful sideboard pieces. Get to check my description box because I'm going to be leaving their website and also the product link that I'm going to be using today. First came to this project back during the holidays last year. Before bringing any new furniture, I always like to start with a clean slate. I removed some of the old decor pieces that were making the room feel a little crowded, decluttered the space, updated the light fixture, added sub window treatment, created an accent wall with these beautiful arch mirrors. Small changes made the dining room feel brighter, more open, and much more intentional. Okay, you guys, this is gonna be the start of the show. It was very important for my friends and homeowners to have storage. So this right here is the Merano Travertine-Inspired Sideboard from Louxas. One of the things that I absolutely love about this sideboard is that it arrived completely assembled. All we have to do was attach the handles, which made the setup incredibly quick and easy. The Merano sideboard immediately caught my eyes. The combination of the rich dark wood frame paired with the beautiful travertine-inspired doors, the mix of textures adds so much warmth and dimension while still feeling modern and sophisticated. I love those clean architectural lines that make the piece feel custom, high-end, but it's also designed with everyday living in mind. And you will find a generous storage compartment with shelving that adjusts to different heights, and the doors are self-closed, which I love. It was time to bring the sideboard to the wall that was gonna go. Oh my god, and everything started to come together so nicely. The last piece that I removed from the old stuff that she had was this beautiful wall art. It was beautiful, but just not for this space. It was too big for the space, honestly. So we're gonna put it somewhere else within her house. But for now, can we take a look at how beautiful this is looking right now? I was waiting for some pieces. I couldn't wait to decorate this sideboard, honestly. So I went ahead and added some fresh floral arrangement into this beautiful sea gallery base here. And you guys, honestly, this sideboard, it's beautiful all by itself. It doesn't need a lot. Vision in mind, so I wanted a smaller wall art to go here, maybe with some wall sconces next to it. So we ordered some pieces and I was waiting for those to get here. But of course, you know me, I needed to see how this is gonna go and look when it's fully decorated. So we added some decor because why not? This is what Katie does when she comes over. My friend is a real plant girly, but I told her, hey, you need a fake olive tree, trust me. So I brought the one I had at home and I kind of put it in this little planter here, and I wanted to just play with it so she could see the vision of the vase tree. Trust me, you don't have to be moving it from room to room so it could get light. So this was gonna be perfect in this dining area. To the new artwork and lighting arrive, even with just a few accessories, you can already see how this piece anchors the entire dining room and it creates a perfect foundation for the layering decor that is gonna happen soon. now this dining room transitions so well into the living area that we have updated recently as well for her. Everything is now a cohesive look and I love it. If you're looking for a timeless statement piece that's buff, beautiful, and functional, definitely check out the description box because I'm going to be linking this beautiful Merano Travertine sideboard for you. And that's a wrap, you guys, on today's makeover. I honestly can't believe the transformation. What started as a dining room that just needed a little bit of love is now a warm, inviting space that's perfect for gathering and hosting and making memories. This makeover is a great reminder that you don't always need to renovate an entire room. Sometimes a few intentional updates and one beautiful statement piece can completely transform how a space looks and feels. I hope today's episode inspired you to look at your own home with fresh eyes and maybe tackle that room that you have been putting off. If you guys are in the market for a new sideboard, definitely check out the Merano sideboard from Louxas. This one comes with a 15-year warranty and a 60-day return policy. How amazing is that? Don't forget to check the description box for the link for this beautiful sideboard and also to use my code to save some money on your next purchase at Louxas. If you enjoyed today's episode of Katie's Coming Over, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know in the comments what room you'd like me to transform next. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next episode. God bless.